everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me. When the topic was told to me about this, that this is against all odds, so I was thinking, oh, that means I've achieved something in life against all odds. So that's why I've been invited here. But anyway, thank you so much. I'm happy. I'm glad I'm here today. And see, I don't know how much you know about me. Who's Anoop Soni? Like you know me as an actor, but where did I come from? Who am I? So, for everyone listening to me, Anoop Soni is a small town guy, born and brought up in a typical middle class family where father was working in a government job, mother was a complete housewife with a younger sister. Father was in a transfer job. So, born in Ludhiana, transferred to Jalandhar, then Jalandhar to Faridabad, Faridabad to Jaipur, Jaipur to Delhi, and then finally I'm in Bombay right now. So, I had the opportunity to stay in different cities because of my father's job, and acting was nowhere in the mind to choose as a future profession, because not even a single person, not even remotely close to my family, there is anyone who's in this field. Normally when you say, oh, my mama, my chacha's auntie and so is there in that profession, and that's how you. So here there was no one. In fact, when I was in school, I used to think that film actors are not normal human beings like us. I thought, because I was born in 70s, so for me, because the exposure was very less in those days, even that Doordarshan, I'm sure a lot of kids who are hearing, they don't even know that we used to get to see a movie on TV once a week, because Doordarshan was the only source of entertainment in those days. So I didn't even know. I thought that these film actors are not normal human beings. They are from some different planets, and I can't become an actor. So whenever the thought came into my mind that can I become an actor? I want to act, because whenever I saw film songs on TV or movies, I always thought that I want to do this. I like this. So there was some kind of an inclination towards this craft, this art called acting. But I always thought that no, that's not possible. How can I go there? I'm a normal human being. I live in this city, Faridabad or Jaipur, and my father goes to the office, and these guys are very different who comes on screen. So I like kind of rejected the idea of becoming an actor. But around I think 80s, my father got posted to Jaipur, and that was the time when I was exposed to local theater groups. And somewhere down the line there was this hidden um, you know इच्छा कि एक्टर बनना है, जिसको always used to push it away कि नहीं ठीक है, possible नहीं है, you can't become an actor. So I think Jaipur was the turning point, the theater, joining the theater company in Jaipur, working with amateur theater groups. But I was very, very clear, uh, as a kid also. See, when you're born in a typical middle class family, there are certain things you aspire to do. आपको लगता है, oh my God, हमारे पास कार नहीं है, कार होनी चाहिए. तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था, यार, I don't want to live this life. I don't want to be on scooter with my children when I get married. I, you know, nothing to degrade anybody's struggle or thing, but I was very sure about one thing, yeah, that I don't want a life where I am sitting on the scooter, my child is in front of me in the scooter, piche my wife is sitting, and I'm going, to see a movie or for some function or some shopping. I said, no, I want to break these walls and do something else in life, whether it was as an actor or something else. So when I graduated from college, I did my BCom in commerce from Rajasthan University. But at the same time, I was very active with the amateur theater company. So by then, I had discovered that I love acting. It's something which makes me happy. So evenings when all my friends used to hang around in gardens and they used to do some masti, I used to sit with the 20, 25-year older people than me at some theater group जहाँ पे रंगमंच की बातें होती थी, आर्ट की बातें होती थी. I was only 17 years old at that time. तो तब तक जिसे कहते हैं ना कि एक एडिक्शन लग चुका था एक्टिंग का. But I was still unsure how to become a professional actor, how to make acting your profession. आज मुझे लगता है कि whoever is listening right now वो सोचते होंगे अरे ये क्या बात हुई, because today everyone knows, every child when he's 15-year-old, if he wants to become an actor, he knows how to go about this. The exposure is there, They know how to approach people. They know what kind of preparation they need. But those were the days when we didn't know, like for a common man, how to become a professional actor and earn your living. So I said, नहीं नहीं अभी भी possible नहीं है. This is fine. Let's keep doing this amateur theater acting और यहीं पे अपना satisfaction ढूंढ लो. But as I said, I was very clear कि जो भी करना है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा करना है जहाँ नाम हो, जहाँ सोसाइटी में आपकी एक रिस्पेक्ट हो, जहाँ सोसाइटी में आपको लोग जाने. I was very inclined towards doing LLB law. I was very fond of that. Maybe शायद मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो फिल्मों में कोर्ट सीन्स देख देख के जो है I was inspired by LLB के हाँ LLB कर लेते हैं. But at that time my father thought that I should try for CA chartered accountancy. So I said ठीक है चलो जो बोलते हैं कर लो. So during my graduation I enrolled myself in the institute, CA institute, and at the same time I started doing joined by college, LLB college in Rajasthan University. That was the time I came to know about National School of Drama. Somebody told me that there is an institute in Delhi, which is a 3 years full-fledged residential acting course. I was like, acha, I didn't know anything about that. I started reading about NSD. I started talking to people who were senior to me in Jaipur in theatre company, and they told me that yes, it's a very prestigious institute, and there are only 20 seats all over the country. In fact, 2 seats are reserved for Bangladesh and Sri Lankan students also. So you are left with 18, and out of 18, there are at least 4 to 5 women, girls. So then you are left with like 14 seats. I said, Acha. And I said, koi quota vota hota hai state ka? He said, no quota, but yes, they normally try to take people from every state if it's possible. But they said कि 6 साल से जयपुर से आज तक एक भी कैंडिडेट सेलेक्ट नहीं हुआ है नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में. So I said कौन हुआ था लास्ट? They said 1984 में इरफान खान सेलेक्ट हुए थे. I said अच्छा, तब तक इरफान भाई जो हैं हमारे सीनियर हैं, वो he was not very known at that time. मतलब मेरे ख्याल से शायद उन्होंने अपना कोर्स खत्म किया होगा 87 में, and he must be like in Bombay or in Delhi. I don't know what was he doing in 90s, early 90s. What was he doing? So I didn't know who Irfan Khan is. So he said Irfan Khan was the only student who got selected in National School of Drama. तब लगा कि अच्छा. He said, yeah, it's not very easy. Then I researched about National School of Drama. पता चला कि नहीं, बात तो है इस institute में. And this is the place. If I go there, then I can work towards making acting my profession. And then I came to know about other people who passed out from National School of Drama. It was Mr. Om Puri, Nasiruddin Shah, Alok Nath, Neena Gupta, so many, Ashish Vidyarthi, so many of my seniors. I came to know that these are the guys. And these are the people who are popular on screen. So that's why we know them. I said, यार एक chance तो बनता है, एक बार तो इसके admission के लिए try करना है. हो गया तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो फिर वही अपना LLB करेंगे और lawyer बन जाएंगे लाइफ में और कोर्ट में एक्टिंग करेंगे फिर जाके. So I spoke to my parents. Obviously, for my kind of family, it was very different. They said that, what, 3 years? So that means what will happen to your CA? What will happen to your LLB? I said, I don't know, but this is a course which is government recognized course. It runs by the Ministry of Human Resources. You know, I had done thorough research to convince my parents. I said, see, you see the prospectus. It's run by Ministry of Human Resources. People in Information and Broadcasting Ministry, All India Radio, Doordarshan, drama departments of all the government universities in India, they all prefer a graduate of National School of Drama if you want to do a job. So I told my dad, I said, even if I don't become an actor professionally and come on screen, you know, my job is secured, my life is secured. This is, so I think एक middle class आदमी का दिमाग ऐसे ही चलता है ना, तो my dad got convinced कि चलो ठीक है यार, बच्चा अपनी life तो waste नहीं करेगा, NST करके कुछ नौकरी कर लेगा, सरकारी नौकरी कर लेगा. So I think that's how they got convinced, and somewhere down the line, they trusted me. You know, they knew that I will not play around with my life. My father was very sure about one thing, that this kid is sure that he wants to do something good in life. मैंने अपने डैड को बोला था कि डॉड, अगर मैं लॉयर भी बना ना, तो मैं बहुत फेमस लॉयर बनूंगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैं one of the lawyers, हाँ LLB करके कोर्ट के बाहर टेबल लगा के बैठे हुए हैं. I said, even if I become a lawyer, I'll become a very, very famous lawyer. So उनको ये पता था कि अगर ये National School of Drama जाना चाह रहा है, and he's just taking a chance. And I told him that. I said, if I don't get the admission in the first attempt, I will continue with my LLB and CA, and I will do theater essay for hobby, just for fun and just to enjoy and just be in touch with something which I love. So he kind of agreed. He said, okay, ठीक है, तुम एक बार जरूर try करो इसके लिए. मैंने नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा की तैयारी ऐसे की जैसे हम किसी भी रेगुलर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी करते हैं. You know, because I knew that I have only one chance. And I knew all the other conditions also, that there are very, very limited seats. And from 6 years, no one from Jaipur has got the admission. So I prepared thoroughly. I spoke to my seniors who were very active in Jaipur theatre. I spoke to them. I asked them what kind of questions they will ask, what should I prepare, what kind of books I should read. So very nice of them that they all recommended certain books. They all guided me well. I prepared, and finally, in my first attempt, I got the admission in National School of Drama. So that's the turning point of my life. So I had to tell my parents कि अब तो मैं जा रहा हूँ, 3 साल दिल्ली में रहूंगा हॉस्टल में, और उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या होगा. He said, उसके बाद क्या करोगे? I said, पापा उसके बाद तब देखेंगे, पहले 3 साल तो बीत जाने दो, अभी बहुत टाइम है 3 साल में. Now coming to National School of Drama, I think NSD has played a very, very, very important role in my life, not only as an actor, but as a human being, as a person. The kind of confidence I gained in National School of Drama. I'll share some funny incidents. Like when I went to National School of Drama, तब तक मेरे लिए acting का definition था कि अच्छा ये dialogue दो, dialogue याद करो और dialogue deliver करो. फिल्में देख देख के जो influence था कि यही acting होती है. This is what acting is all about. But first 3 months, we were doing physical activities. We were doing classes like lectures on modern Indian drama, Western Indian drama, aesthetics, classical Indian drama. Then there were classes on body movement. Then there are some music classes. I said, यार ये कहाँ फंस गया नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में. मैं तो एक्टिंग सीखने आया था, एक्टर बनने आया था. ये तो डायलॉग भी नहीं देते हैं बोलने के लिए. पता नहीं क्या मॉडर्न में, और वही कॉपी, होमवर्क, प्रोजेक्ट्स. I said, यार ये सब तो स्कूल में होता था, यहाँ भी ये करना है. The whole first year went like that. We used to have just 1 hour acting class, and now I can admire that person. तब समझ में नहीं आता था कि कितना अच्छा टीचर मिला. Mr. Barry John, he was our acting teacher in the first year. और वो क्लास में आते थे और कुछ ट्रस्ट गेम्स खिलाते थे, कुछ गेम्स खिलाने लग जाते थे. सर यार ये गलत इंस्टीट्यूट में आ गया हूँ, ये एक्टिंग का इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं है, यहाँ तो कुछ और ही हो रहा है, यहाँ पढ़ाई लिखाई हो रही है ज्यादा. But I think after first year, I realized where I am. I was at India's one of the best, I would say Asia's one of the best acting institute in India, in Delhi. That's when I became very serious. And 3 years, I tried my best to learn everything possible. I'm sorry, people don't laugh at me, but मुझे नहीं पता था कि Maxim Gorky कौन है. मुझे रशियन प्लेराइट्स के नाम नहीं पता था. मुझे जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ का नाम नहीं पता था, because I was a commerce student. So, and ऐसा कोई लिटरेरी एटमॉस्फेयर भी मेरे आसपास नहीं था. But thanks to National School of Drama, our library was one of the best we had. All the possible books about writers, about acclaimed playwrights, anything. You talk about history, you talk about Renaissance period, and I thought that 3 साल भी कम है, I think, उस library को पढ़ने के लिए. And I'm really thankful that I got the admission in the first attempt. अगर नहीं मिला होता तो शायद मैं लॉयर होता, कहीं कोर्ट में बहस कर रहा होता, कुछ कर रहा होता. Not that I would have not enjoyed that. I would have enjoyed that too. But yes, this is what I wanted to do. And National School of Drama gave me a lot to learn, to understand about acting, to understand that acting is not about just speaking lines. It's not only about just remembering your dialogues and delivering your dialogues. Acting is between those lines also when you are not saying anything. It's not only about speaking lines. So that's the end of that secured period in National School of Drama. I call it secured period because in National School of Drama, the Ministry of Human Resources, I think today this institute is run by Ministry of Culture, as if I'm not wrong. They gave us a lot of facilities. We were treated very politely, in a very fragile way. We got all the comforts. When we are doing a play, we had good budgets to perform, to make a good stage. Because as an actor, it's not only that we were only studying acting, we were also studying stagecraft, we were also studying lighting, we were also studying costume designing. We had all the facilities there. बट वो 3 साल के सिक्योर्ड एटमॉस्फेयर के बाद जब आप इंस्टीट्यूट से बाहर निकलते हैं ना, तब आप मैदान में आते हैं, तब आपको पता चलता है कि अब असली लड़ाई अब शुरू होगी, असली स्ट्रगल जो है, असली जंग जो है वो अब शुरू होगी. So now coming to working as a professional actor on screen, अब there was dilemma, क्या किया जाए. सीधा सीधा बॉम्बे भाग लिया जाए. फिर थोड़ा सा गिल्ट भी होता था कि नहीं यार, we have spent 3 years learning acting for stage. स्टेज को भी तो इट्स अ ड्यूटी टू गिव बैक समथिंग टू द स्टेज. तो उस गिल्ट में मैं आई वेंट बैक टू जयपुर. आई डिड सम एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप्स विद चिल्ड्रन. वहां थोड़ा एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप्स में प्ले डायरेक्ट किया, स्टेज प्ले किया, बच्चों के साथ काम किया. फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार, एक ट्राई तो मुझे एक्टर बनने का भी करना है. I want to go to Bombay, and Bombay was the only place where you can go and exhibit your talent. And now Bombay was very different. मैंने लाइफ में बॉम्बे कभी पहले देखा भी नहीं था. मुझे पता ही नहीं था बॉम्बे, जो फिल्मों में देखा था वही बॉम्बे था मेरे लिए. So I didn't know what to do. So I spoke to my father and I said कि पापा मैं जाना चाहता हूँ बॉम्बे, but कैसे करें? So he spoke to somebody, one of his friends, and he said for 1 month I can get you an accommodation. उसके बाद you have to do things on your own. ऐसा ठीक है, आप थोड़े पैसे दे दो और मैं फिर 1 महीना देखता हूँ उसके बाद. So there's a batchmate, 2 batchmates of mine. One is Rajesh Telang, if you know. He's also a very, very famous actor now. He was in Mirzapur, in Selection Day, and Bandish Bandit, and Delhi Crime, in a lot of web series now. So he was my batchmate, we both, and there was another actor friend and batchmate, Harish Khanna. All 3 of us decided कि चलो बॉम्बे चलते हैं. 1 महीना मैं तुम्हें accommodation दे रहा हूँ, 1 महीने में हम लोग ढूंढ लेंगे कोई घर वहाँ पे, और we will share whatever is the rent in Bombay. So this I'm talking about, say, late 90s. Late 90s, we landed in this city. जिसका लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर हमको नहीं पता था. लोकल कहाँ जाती है, कैसे जाती है, कौन सा ईस्ट है और कौन सा वेस्ट है, कुछ नहीं पता था. But thanks to my dad कि वो 1 महीने थोड़ा सेटल होने के लिए एक I had roof over our head. So we kind of learned step by step. किसी से पता चला कि अच्छा वहाँ फिल्म सिटी में शूटिंग होती है, अच्छा वहाँ शूटिंग चलती है, तो वहाँ पहुंच गए. वहाँ फिर अगर गार्ड ने कहा कि नहीं आप नहीं जा सकते, आप क्या करने आए हैं, उसको किसी तरह से समझाया, उसको कन्विंस किया यार हम किसी से मिलने आए हैं. वहाँ रैंडमली स्टूडियोज में जाना, I think the only grace was that we could say that we are a trained actor. I'm a trained actor. I'm from National School of Drama. That was the only saving grace. शक्ल ऐसी कोई थी नहीं, कोई ऐसी बॉडी नहीं थी कि जिसको दिखा के हम भीड़ में अलग से नजर आ जाए कि oh my God, he's my guy. I'm going to launch him next now. He's my hero in the next movie. So ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. So that's how we learned कि assistants को approach किया. हीरो हीरोइन की मेन लीड की कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स करते थे. असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर जो होता था उसके पास ये पावर होती थी कि वो कुछ जो कैरेक्टर रोल्स हैं उनकी कास्टिंग कर ले. तो पता चला हम कैरेक्टर रोल्स के पीछे ही लोगों के भागते रहते थे. फिर आई थिंक वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, किसी ने किसको बोला. आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर डिवाइसेज, आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर कि मैं कैसे रीच आउट करूं. एंड यू विल लाफ एट दीज थिंग्स कि जब आप पैशनेट होते हैं कोई चीज करने के लिए, आपका फोकस क्लियर होता है, तो आपके दिमाग में अजीब से आइडियाज भी आते हैं. I read an interview in some film magazine about Gulshan Grover. Gulshan Grover mentioned that he was studying at Mr. Roshan Taneja's acting school. और वहां से कोर्स खत्म हो गया था. गुलशन ग्रोवर भी दिल्ली से आए थे. I think श्रीराम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स के पास आउट है वो. तो I was reading his interview and he said that मेरे पास भी कोई काम नहीं था, ट्रेनिंग खत्म हो चुकी थी. और तो one day Roshan Taneja told him कि I am going to take personal classes with Sanjay Dutt, Mr. Sunil Dutt's son, and तुम मेरे साथ चलो उनके घर पे, तुम मुझे असिस्ट करना, मैं उनकी क्लासेस लूंगा. तो that's how he met Mr. Dutt, Sunil Dutt, and he got Sanjay Dutt's friend's role in Rocky, in Sanjay Dutt's debut film. मुझे लगा यार ये आइडिया अच्छा है, ये ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए. मैंने फिर से ढूंढना शुरू किया तो पता चला कि मिस्टर किशोर नमित कपूर नाम के एक एक्टिंग टीचर हैं जिनका स्कूल चलता है, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे फिल्मी किड्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स और डायरेक्टर्स के बच्चे वहाँ एक्टिंग सीखने आते हैं जो लॉन्च होने वाले हैं. मैंने कहा यार this is a good thing and I'm a trained actor, I'll tell them. I somehow managed to get his phone number, Mr. Kishore Namit Kapoor, and I called him. He called me up, and I told him, sir, this is what I've done. And obviously, 3 years of training in National School of Drama. You know, we had one of the best teachers. We used to have visiting faculty from England, from America, from prestigious acting institutes in UK and USA. So my bio was pretty impressive that way कि मुझे इन्होंने voice training दी है, इन्होंने मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया से एक टीचर आए थे, उन्होंने वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन सिखाया है. So I told Mr. Kishore Namit Kapoor कि सर मैं आपके यहाँ पढ़ा सकता हूँ. He told me I'll give you 300 rupees for 3 hours. I said fine, because ये था कि चलो थोड़ी पॉकेट मनी मिल जाएगी. But the whole purpose was to get, you know, to interact with these film actors kids or film directors kids. उनके साथ मिलेंगे और कुछ काम बन जाएगा. But unfortunately ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. एक साल मैं वहाँ टीचिंग करता रहा और nothing like that happened, and you'll be surprised. There were students like Akshay Khanna, Sonali Bendre, Apurva Agnihotri, बहुत सारे और मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ. Priya Gill, there was an actress who was launched with Arshad Varsi and Chandrachud Singh. They all were the students there. Mr. Amjad Khan's son, couple of others. I said नहीं यार. Then one day I told Mr. Namit Kapoor कि सर मैं जा रहा हूँ छोड़ के, मैं नहीं पढ़ा पाऊंगा अब. And he was like, अरे क्या problem? I said नहीं sir, I want to be an actor. I don't want to become an acting teacher. मैं तो ऐसे ही काम कर रहा था, थोड़ा पॉकेट मनी मिल जाती थी. I think you have to shift your focus. This is my belief that you do a lot of other subsequent subdivision work in the sense कि चलो to survive things, but after a point you have to take a call what you want to do. And I was very sure that I want to become an actor and I want to come on screen, and I can't keep on doing this teaching job. I think that's how I shift my focus, and I got a couple of opportunity. My first chance was to do a show called See, I always wanted to do films. But क्या था, फिल्म्स में उस जमाने में जो फिल्में बनती थी, the content was very very different in those days. So को जो शक्ल थी, हर बार ऐसा होता था, अच्छा भाई हीरो के 4 दोस्त हैं, आप उसमें एक दोस्त का रोल है, आप करेंगे कॉलेज में उसके साथ है. लगता था नहीं यार ये तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. So ऐसे wanted to do films, but after a point you have to survive in a city like Mumbai. You know, there are high bills, you have to pay your rent, you have to eat food. And how long you can call your parents and tell them कि पापा और भेज दो, थोड़े से और भेज दो, थोड़े से और भेज दो. You know, कहीं ना कहीं वो भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Then I decided that okay ठीक है, फिल्में तो ये हीरो के दोस्त का रोल तो नहीं करना है अभी. And that's how I think kind of television was emerging at that time, and I got an opportunity to do this show called Seahawks. Seahawks was directed by Mr. Anubhav Sinha. It was a big show on television. We had like choppers and ships, and you know, it was based on Indian Coast Guard. We went to shoot to this show in Mauritius and Goa, and the cast was spectacular. Mr. Om Puri was there, Madhavan was there, Timon Singh, and very popular show. And I had a brilliant role. I had a very very important role. I think that's how my journey started as an actor. And touchwood, I don't know where have I reached. What have I achieved? I really don't know, but I can say I am much ahead of where I started from, because otherwise you can aspire a lot of things, but you don't know कि वो journey का end क्या है. There is no end to this journey. So I never got an overnight success. You know, it was always a smooth journey, and I'm happy that I have not taken a step back since then. I have always taken, whether my steps were smaller steps, very slow steps, but I've always gone ahead. I've not gone back since then. So I'm thankful to everyone who supported me and helped me. मैं अनूप सोनी आपसे विदा लेता हूं. फिर मुलाकात होगी क्राइम पेट्रोल में अगले एपिसोड के साथ. तब तक अपना और अपने परिवार का ख्याल रखें. देखते रहें क्राइम पेट्रोल. सतर्क रहें, सुरक्षित रहें. जय हिंद.